20 years ago, Oldsmobile, rich in a tradition of engineering innovation, introduced the first mass-produced, contemporary American-made front-wheel drive automobile, the Toronado. True to its Oldsmobile heritage, the 1966 Toronado was innovative and far ahead of the industry. And while many have attempted to match it in style, luxury, and elegance, the Oldsmobile Toronado has become the premier personal automobile. And like the first one, the 1986 Toronado will set new standards in contemporary design and engineering technology. It is truly the next great adventure in an automobile. In the world of personal luxury automobiles, the Oldsmobile Toronado has, for 20 years, led the industry in engineering innovation and technology.
And the 1986 edition, with its sophisticated electronics and state-of-the-art mechanical features, along with its highly efficient aerodynamic styling, will put the Toronado on the leading edge of automotive design. Few cars can match its complement of standard features or even come close to its many options, which are available to add to the comfort, convenience, and pride that comes with owning an Oldsmobile Toronado.
As with every Oldsmobile, the Toronado must be experienced firsthand. You have to see it, touch it, hear about it from your Oldsmobile certified sales consultant, and above all, drive it. Even then, there are some extraordinary things about the exciting new Toronado which aren't easy to see or touch. The vacuum fluorescent instrument panel shown in our opening is but the surface of the Toronado electronic story. In addition to the wide array of driver information functions, there are many others which operate continuously, monitoring systems and components, storing data, correcting problems, and when necessary, advising the driver. For example, a body computer is the brains of an electronic system which receives, analyzes, and responds to information transmitted by sensors located throughout the vehicle. A body computer controls the entire heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system for precise climate control. It's also the brains behind the instrument cluster and gauges, the message center and optional voice control system. Ever left the door open and had a battery run down? Can't happen, because the Toronado's battery guard system shuts off the courtesy lamps after 10 minutes. And as important as any other feature, the body computer has extensive diagnosis capability. By using specially coded combinations of the air conditioning system controls, the service technician can check the function of virtually every system of the car, including the electrical system, powertrain, brakes, and heating and air conditioning. Problems are identified quickly and more accurately, and the result is improved serviceability, whether for routine maintenance or diagnosis and repair of a problem. Despite the addition of so many new electronics and electric components, the underhood and beneath the skin areas are neat and wiring is directly routed. Wires are covered and protected by rigid plastic channels which prevent chafing and pinching. Electrical relays are collected into one relay center and labeled for easy identification. Reliability has been improved with sealed connectors which prevent accumulation of grime and moisture to protect against corrosion. Of course, all of these new Toronado electronics add to the convenience and enjoyment of owning an automobile that is highly reliable, easily serviced and maintained. Obviously, this is no less than you expect from Oldsmobile, and the same is true for its front-wheel drive performance.
Like just about everything else on this outstanding car, its ride and handling performance has evolved over the past 20 years. The front-wheel drive configuration with rack and pinion power steering has been designed for control, isolation, and ride characteristics. The McPherson Strut front suspension has new microcellular urethane jounce bumpers for good ride control and a soft feel of the road. An advanced design coil spring replaces the traditional torsion bar, which adds to the Toronado's traditionally smooth and comfortable ride. In the rear, the suspension system is independent strut type with a transverse fiberglass leaf spring. Called Transflex, this new system is isolated from the car's underbody to help minimize road noise. Electronic level control, which maintains body balance, is standard, as are four-wheel power disc brakes, which reduce the effects of moisture and road dirt, as well as being less prone to fade, since they are less affected by heat buildup during repeated stops. A new Level 3 suspension system with gas-charged shocks, increased spring rates, larger front stabilizer bar, rear stabilizer bar, firmer bushings, carefully selected strut valving, and premium high-performance tires will add a new dimension of handling and cornering. As a driver's car, few competitors will approach its outstanding performance. Toronado Power is a 3.8-liter V6 sequential fuel-injected SFI engine with 4-speed overdrive automatic transmission. This combination is ideally matched to Toronado standards of power and roadability.
Front-wheel drive has become the rule, and for all of the reasons, Oldsmobile brought out the original Toronado. Superior handling and traction under most road conditions, and a spacious passenger compartment in a smaller exterior package are but two of the many benefits of this ahead-of-its-time Oldsmobile. The Toronado story is repeated countless times every day by every manufacturer of front-wheel drive vehicles. There are many front-wheel drive cars, but only one Toronado.
The Oldsmobile Toronado has an image that is unmatched, although many have tried. Its trend-setting design, at once contemporary and futuristic, is apparent from every angle. From the standpoint of pure function, the 1986 Toronado is superbly executed. There is a noticeable low front to a higher rear profile. Body panels are engineered for precision fit. A multi-coat high-gloss enamel paint finish is particularly resistant to stone chips and minor surface damage. The design incorporates soft rather than severe curves and sheet metal lines, a steep windshield angle, smooth-fitting flush-mounted side windows, and a slightly rounded rear window glass. Exquisite styling details which have improved the Toronado's aerodynamic efficiency by over 30%.
The 1986 Toronado is an automobile which must be experienced up close and personal in order to be fully appreciated. And we think you'll agree. In the very small world of finely appointed, superbly engineered automobiles, the 1986 Oldsmobile Toronado Brougham is the ultimate expression of sporty style, advanced technology, and personal luxury. It's an automobile Oldsmobile is proud to offer. It's an Oldsmobile you'll be proud to own.